Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the GMKtec EVO-X2 AI Mini PC, a compact powerhouse packed with next-gen performance. Click the link below for the best price. If you're in the market for a mini PC that doesn't compromise on speed, memory, display support, or future-proof features, the GMKtec EVO-X2 is an absolute game-changer. Whether you're a content creator, a programmer, a power user, or someone who wants a small footprint PC that can game and multitask like a full tower, this machine has your name on it. Let's dive into the brains of this mini beast. It's powered by the AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, clocked up to 5.1 GHz. This isn't your average mobile chip. It brings AI acceleration, serious multi-core performance, and ultra-efficient architecture to the table. Whether you're editing 4K videos, training machine learning models, or juggling dozens of browser tabs with Office apps and media, this CPU keeps everything smooth and fast. Now let's talk about memory, because this mini PC absolutely maxes it out. You get a whopping 128 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, running at 8000 MHz. That's 16 GB on each of its 8 memory channels, delivering insane memory bandwidth. It means your system can handle massive datasets, high-end multitasking, and creative workflows without a hint of slowdown. It's also perfect for virtual machines, 3D rendering, and AI inferencing. Storage is no slouch either. With a 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, you get blisteringly fast read and write speeds for snappy OS boots, fast software loads, and virtually instant file transfers. Whether you're storing game libraries, media assets, or large project files, you've got both the speed and the space to handle it all with ease. Display output is where things get even more impressive. The EVO-X2 supports quad-screen output at up to 8K resolution. That's right, this mini PC can drive 4 displays simultaneously, making it perfect for multitaskers, stock traders, coders, and creatives who need multiple workspaces. Whether you're running triple 4K monitors plus a reference screen or pushing an 8K output to a single display, this system is ready. And connectivity? This thing is stacked. It comes with Wi-Fi 7 for blazing fast wireless internet, ultra-low latency, and rock-solid connections even in crowded environments. You also get USB 4, which means Thunderbolt 3/4 level speeds, fast data transfers, external GPU support, and high-speed docking all from a single port. And if you're a creator, you'll appreciate the SD card reader 4.0, which ensures fast file access from your camera, drone, or other gear. All of this comes packed into a sleek, ultra-compact chassis. It's small enough to mount behind a monitor or tuck away on a desk, but stylish enough to display proudly. Despite its size, the thermal design is efficient and quiet, keeping temps under control even during heavy workloads. And yes, it's powerful enough for light to moderate gaming, too. With the onboard graphics and that high-speed RAM, you can enjoy esports titles, indie games, and even some AAA games at modest settings. It won't replace a high-end gaming rig, but for casual gaming or streaming on the go, it definitely holds its own. Whether you're a professional who needs horsepower in a small form factor, a gamer looking for a portable system, or a student who wants a future-ready PC for study and play, the GMKtec EVO-X2 checks all the boxes. It's compact, insanely fast, and loaded with next-gen tech. Click the link below for the best price. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on cutting-edge tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.